welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can see, I have the Dawson x Jeffree Star palettes. So I got these palettes yesterday, as you guys saw. If you guys saw the video yesterday, I posted. I got this palette yesterday at, I want to say around 11:30 a.m. and took like 2 hours, 3 hours to get this. So today I'm going to mix it into slime. Yes, you heard that right. So I'm going to be mixing the mini controversy and also the big palette called the conspiracy palette. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna get mad because last year I made a video called mixing slime into James Charles palette, and most of you guys got mad, but a lot of you guys really like this. So this year I'm gonna be doing something different, and then I'm just gonna take a brush and mix it into slime like that. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna be scraping it, I'm not gonna be destroying it, because I know they worked really hard for this palette and I don't want to destroy it. So yeah, that's something different I'm gonna be doing this year. And if you guys liked the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay guys, so I don't know. Okay, so the first one I think I'm gonna do is the mini controversy, because I want to see if it actually works, and if it does not work, then I know I have backup for what I'm actually gonna use. So we are gonna be using the mini controversy first, and we are gonna be using a brush. It's a Halloween maker brush. It's nothing that fancy, but it'll do. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so let's open the palette. Oh my god, you guys are gonna be able to see me filming. There you go. So let's start with, oh my god, what should we start with? Should we start with the blues? You know what, let's start with the lighter colors. So the lightest color is this one. Okay, it's kind of working. So let's add a little more. Stay to the end so we can actually mix this. Now let's add a little bit of the my boyfriend's purse. Okay, next let's do flat earth. Whoa. Okay, so the next light one is this exposed. The next one is diet root beer. So now we're getting into the actual darker shades, and those are gonna start to show up better. Controversy. Oh wow, controversy is a purple one. Let's see how it shows up. Didn't show up that much. There you go. Next one is cancelled. Okay, so I'm not gonna be talking for the rest of the video. Well, probably, maybe. So let's get into the music. Okay guys, so the next palette we're gonna be doing is the controversy. I was gonna say the controversy. The conspiracy palette. So this is actually the main one. This one has so many colors. So I think we should get started. Oh my god. But yeah, that was me mixing slime into the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. The color is kind of burgundy-ish with gray undertones. I don't even know the color. Look. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, that segment was brought to you by Unicorn Slime Shop. He actually sent me two of those slimes called Shane and Jeffree, and they were amazing.